What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Play Store not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the Play Store app. Now tap on this information icon and then tap on storage. Now here clear this cache memory of the Play Store app. So to do this, tap on this clear data option. Now from here select clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing this cache memory, the Play Store will start working. But if you are still facing the issue, then check your internet connection if it's working properly or not. So to check this, open a website and check if the website is loading perfectly or not. So if it's not loading on time, then it means it's your internet connection issue. So fix your internet connection, and after that the Play Store not working issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue while using Play Store, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, it will fix the Play Store not working issue. So that's how you can fix Play Store not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.